I started.
Okay. 2/3 minus 1/2. What do we draw first?
Our box.
Our boxes. Alright, here's my first box. Here's my second box. What do I draw in my first box?
2/3.
2/3. 2 lines to make thirds. How many do I color in?
2.
2. We color in 2 of them. Good. Alright, what do I draw for my next one?
1/2.
1 line to make 2, and we shaded 1. Good job. What do we do next?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter jelly, smash them together. We had 1 line here, so 1 line here. 2 lines here, 2 lines here. Alright, what does 2/3 equal? 4/6. What does 1/2 equal?
3/6.
3/6. Alright, because we changed 1/2 to 3/6. Now, what is 4/6 minus 3/6?
1/6.
Thumbs up if you had 1/6. If you did not have 1/6, do you see where we got these numbers from?
Yes.
Do we need to explain where any of the numbers came from?
No.
Alright, now when we get to letter E, what is different about letter E
It
than
has-
A and B?
It has a whole number
It has a whole number.
and a fraction.
So how do we draw 1 2/5?
2 boxes.
We need 2 boxes. Remember, line them up on top of each other. So go ahead and draw your 2 boxes. Now, if my denominator is 5, how many pieces do I need in each box? 5. So I'm going to draw 4 lines to make 5 pieces. How do I shade these in?
One hole is shading the whole entire thing.
We shade in the whole entire one on top because we have 1 hole. How do I show 2/5?
Two
Shade in
shading
2
two.
of them. Very good job. Alright, now what do we need to draw next? Our 3/4. Only need 1 box for that. I draw my 3 lines to make fourths. How many do we shade in?
3.
3 of them. Good. Now we go through the exact same steps. What do we do next?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly, smash them together. We drew 3 lines over here. So I'm going to come over to these rectangles and I'm going to draw 3 lines. Remember, we do the same thing to these 2 that are on top of each other. 3 lines right here. Over here I drew 4 lines. So I'm going to come over here and draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, here's the tricky part. We've got to count and figure out how many we have altogether. First things first, what is our denominator? How many pieces are in 1 box?
1.
1 whole, but how many little pieces do we have?
I don't know.
Count any one of your boxes to figure out what the denominator is. Which one? 20. Perfect. You have 20 little boxes inside each one of your rectangles. So I'm going to write mine over here since I'm out of room. I'm going to go ahead and write my denominators. And then we can fill in our numerators. Now to figure out what numerator I have here, I've got to count both of these rectangles. I've got 20 up here.
And 6
Count
down
those
there.
real carefully.
Wait.
8.
There's 8 down here. So 20 here, 8 here. So how many do we have?
28.
Very good. We've got 28. All right. How many do we have in our 3/4?
15.
15. Very good job. So now we go back to our basic subtraction. What is 28 minus 15?
13.
13. What is my denominator? 28. Do I need to change that?
No.
No, because my numerator is smaller than my denominator, so we do not need to change it to a mixed
Don't
number.
put the 1 in there?